activity from chapter Integers. We are talking about addition of integers. We will come across two types of addition. First one, the addition with the same signs. Okay, same signs, it will be positive and positive. Or addition with this negative and negative. And also we will come across with the addition with the different signs like positive and negative or negative and positive. Now when we are discussing about that, first let us solve addition of integers with positive and positive signs. Let us take an example. Positive 3, I am marking as positive. If we are not marking also, it is understood that it is a positive integer. Plus, I am taking one more positive integer, that is 5. Let us solve this. Now, before solving that, we have to take an objects of similar group which is having the two colors of items. For example, when I am choosing the carom coins, you can see that this belongs to the same group but having two different colors. So these carom coins can be used for the activity. You can represent the positive for white color and the negative you can take black. It's up to you what you select. Now, or you can use chess coins where you will come across two types of colors. Or else I have a paper cutting in my hand. You can use this type of chips also for doing this activity. Two colors, one you can represent as positive, one you can represent as negative. Similarly, I have taken two different colors to represent positive and negative for this activity. I am selecting green color for positive integers, positive sign, and this black color for negative sign. So, for easy understanding, I made a paper cutting like plus so that to avoid the confusion. And black I have done the paper cutting like minus sign. So, I am using this now. This is up to you, whatever you want you can use. Now let us solve this problem which I have taken example plus 3 plus 5. Now plus 3 I am representing with the green color. So I will take 3 plus signs. 1 positive integer, 1, then 2, 3. Okay, and add positive integer. So addition is nothing but combining. So I am combining this plus 3 with plus 5. Okay, 3, 4, 5. Hope so. Okay. Now we have to combine, add together, and we will get the sum as how you can combine together because they all are positive. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 positive sign. This is just like a positive integer addition as we are learning from the smaller classes. So positive, positive. Regardless of the sign, you add the integers. That means absolute value of 3 and absolute value of 5. 3 plus 5, don't consider the sign. Without the sign, add 3 plus 5 is 8. And what is the common sign in this problem? That is common sign is plus. So, prefix the number with the positive sign. So this is how we will do addition. Regardless of the sign, do the addition of the numbers. When the two positives are there, 5 plus 3 is 8, and fix the sign which is common. Here plus is common, so plus 8 is answer. So we have done the addition with positive and positive. Now let us do the addition with negative and negative. Second, same signs addition we are going to do. So here I will take an example B. Negative integer minus 4. Whatever number integer you want, you can take. Add with the negative. Two negatives I am taking. So I will take here minus 6. Okay. So let us find two negative integers. What will be the sum? If you are adding two integers. Two negative integers. So negative integers I have selected the black color. So I am using like that. First minus 4. 4 negative integers. 1, 2, 3, 4 negative integers. For this you have to combine 6 negative integers. So again black color I am using, negative integers 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have to combine all this together. Let us combine together how much we are getting. So all are negative signs. Let us combine together and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I got 10. 10 what? It is a negative. So negative 10. So when the addition with the same signs, regardless of the sign, you add the numbers. 4 plus 6 is 10. And what is the common sign in these two? This minus. Keep minus sign. So the answer is, the sum is minus 10. So here we have done addition. So we have performed the addition here. Now let's go for the different signs. Addition with the different signs. Okay, let's do that. Now here I am going to take an example like with different signs. Positive 4, this is addition. Addition, positive and one negative. So I will take one negative 5. So let us do this addition and see. Plus 4. Plus I am using, as you know that for positive integers I am using green color. Okay. So 4 positive integers. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4 positive integers. Now combine with 5 negative integers. As you know that for negative integers I am using black color. So join 5 negative integers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 negative integers. Now we have to combine this together. But positive and negative combination, we have already learned that an integer, if you join with its additive inverse of plus 3 is minus 3. So I have taken example as 3 integer. Additive inverse of plus 3 is minus 3. Plus 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. This we can show like this also for the children. See here, plus 3. That means empty box. Empty ball is there with me. Plus 3. 1, 2, 3. Now it is 3. And the box was empty. Now I have to keep empty only. How can I keep empty? Plus 3 is there now. I kept plus 3. 3 coins I kept. Now I will remove that. So now it has become empty. So like this you can show that that plus 3 additive inverse of the given integer, addition of that is equal to 0. So like that only, plus 1 and sum of the plus 1 and the additive inverse of plus 1 is minus 1, it is 0. So, here what I will do, I will remove 1 plus and 1 minus because it is the pair of 0. Plus 1 and minus 1, 0 I am removing. So, 1 plus 1 and minus 1, 0. Plus 1 minus 1, 0. Plus 1 minus 1, 0. So what is left in my hand? Negative 1. That means 1 with a negative sign. So this is there. Now we have to see how it is coming. So absolute value of 4 and minus 4 is 4 and 5 is, regardless of the sign, do the subtraction. 5 and 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. And we have to take the sign of the absolute value, greater absolute value. That is, greater absolute value is 5. Greater absolute value is 5 and 5 is having negative sign. So the answer is minus 1. So here we have performed the subtraction. But sign depends on the, we take minus 3 plus 1 negative sign and positive sign plus 6, okay, is equal to. So we are doing the addition with the different signs here. So for negative integer, I have used black color papers as we know. So minus 3 I'll keep here. So 1, 3 negative signs, 1, 2, 3, and combine with 6 positive signs. So let me take 6 positive here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 positive signs. Now, as we know that we have to combine these two, as we know that minus 1 and plus 1, the pair of 0 is one positive and one negative. So, I'll remove this from the group. Now, again one positive and negative I will remove from the group. Now, again, one more pair we can have here, one positive and one negative. So, I am removing from the group. So, what is left? We are left with 3 positive signs. Yeah, that means 3 positive. Now, when we are doing the addition with different signs, we have to do subtraction and the prefix with the sign of the greater absolute value. Here 6 is the greater absolute value and 6 is having positive sign. Okay, so plus 3 is the answer. Thank you.
To add two positive integers or two negative integers, add their absolute values and prefix the sign of addends to it. To add two integers of opposite signs, we find the difference of their absolute values and prefix the sign of the integer whose absolute value is greater.